Okay, my beautiful friends, here we go. This is my pre-market report on this Wednesday, October 23rd, 2019. Here we go. Let's start off with this. Stock futures were pretty deep in the red just a little while ago. Well, would you be surprised to find out that stock futures have now turned positive, despite the fact that a few big companies are coming in with big earnings misses? No, this shouldn't surprise you at all. This is an environment of black is white, white is black, up is down. It's an incredible situation, but this should, and the reason why I'm bringing this up is pretty straightforward. I explained to you yesterday that this Brexit thing was weighing on this market a little bit. I said it wouldn't last. It's not going to last. Nothing is going to get in the way of this market moving higher, except maybe one thing, and that is crude oil. Crude oil is under pressure here. Again, people, look, to understand crude oil is to understand the entire system. It's really the truth. Crude oil, the lifeblood of the military-industrial complex, its true price, its real price today, it's hovering around $53, $54 a barrel, would be less than half of what it is. It's already being propped up by 100%. And that's not going to stop. Crude oil greases the wheels of this stock market by propping up the energy sector, by propping up the financial sector, and we've seen it time and time again. It's going up. Crude oil is going higher, despite the fact that demand on a global level is falling. It's the truth. Mark my words here. One way or the other, crude oil is going up. And I'm not saying it's not going to waver around a little bit, but the trajectory for crude oil is again up. Same thing with this fake, rigged stock market. There's too much cash being forced into the debt market right now. The Fed is buying stocks. 6 Wall Street banks that run the Fed are buying stocks. It's got nowhere to go but up, despite what may be happening on the ground in the economy. With anything else, it doesn't matter here. It's a managed market, a managed economy full of propaganda and lies. You know that. So again, let's talk about a couple of other assets before I move forward. Silver is under a tiny bit of pressure right now. Gold is fractionally higher. Cryptocurrencies are under pressure. No surprise to you. I explained this to you weeks ago, how this would play out over the last few weeks with metals and cryptos, and I nailed it to the wall. It's just so easy to see. The environment remains risk on, and I mean risk on. Period. So, anyway. We're going to take advantage of this every way we possibly can, and then some. That's really what this is all about. Why do I come out here every day and talk? Because I think it's fun. I do enjoy being here with you. Yes, that's the truth. But again, I feel a responsibility to everyone to understand that we're not going to be fleeced. We're not going to lie down here. And again, I think the video I did yesterday really summed this up. The fact that we, the people, have the power to take back the system in less than an hour should tell you something. Again, I explained to you how we could do it. We don't have to wait for any miraculous event to occur. We can take back the system if we wanted to, but it won't happen. Unfortunately, people are conditioned to believe that they must be slaves to the ruling class, the elite. This is something that's been going on for thousands of years. It's never going to stop. You're going to hear people complain about it. You're going to hear people talk about, oh, well, we should do this, or we have to wait for this person to do that. No, it's always the same. It never changes. This is the same story that we've heard throughout history. It's not going to change in modern times either. Until we, the people, realize that we have the power, which is not going to happen in our lifetime, maybe not in many lifetimes to come, we're just going to sit here and bitch and moan about it while the system continues to eat most people alive. Not you. if you follow this blog. You know exactly what you should be doing from every aspect of this market. You know what to do. Betting against the debt, becoming your own central bank, learning how to trade this market, making profits in the market, pulling that profit out of the market, converting that into hard assets. Other things. It's just so simple. It really is. This is, I think, the most basic, easy concepts to understand once you let it sink in and you break out of the box that they have shoved you in. It's amazing to me to see the throngs of people that are still so indoctrinated into believing in the two-party system, into believing that what they're seeing is real. They're being convinced that this environment is real. Don't worry about the debt market. The debt market is being rigged, but listen to the mainstream financial channels. They're telling you to watch the yield curve because it's real. No, it's not real. It's completely fake. And if you use their own data with regard to what's happening on the ground in the economy, you can see that we are in free fall, but you're not supposed to know that either. All right, look, I can go on and on. I got to get back to work. Love all of you. Please share the video. Get it out there. I'll see you at the end of the day.